All right, 2008 Pontiac G6 here. Turn signals don't click back whenever you turn. Most likely is the switch here. It's got a little cam in there that has a spring that's supposed to return it after you turn the wheel based off your clock spring, and they have a tendency of breaking. Super easy job to fix. Also, side note, if you bring your car to get worked on, you should probably clean it, because this is a disaster. Biggest pet peeve of mine. All right, real quick, let's see. So you got 3 bolts on the bottom side of the steering column here. They're 7mm. Just remove all 3 of those. Clunk. Clunk. Voila. All right. Plastic comes off. Drop this lever here. Makes it a little easier. Just take that right out of there. Top piece will flip up. So you got 2 plugs that come in here. This one you squeeze, pull out. This one you gotta flip up this little plastic tab here. See if I can do this while holding the camera. Actually brought a screwdriver to make this a little easier. All right, putting the camera on my head. That's it. Bam. Okay, now you got 2 tabs here that have to be pressed. One at the top and one at the bottom. Slides out, bam. Slide it in, click it in, plug, plug, plastic. Plastic. Together. There. Together. There. Move this back up. We're going to reshoot our screws. Two. Three. Easy as that. Turn signal switch has been replaced. Perfect. All right, test. Turn signal on, turn the wheel to the left, turn signal off. Right, turn the wheel to the right, and the wheel to the right, turn signal off. Problem solved.